Today we're going to be looking at plants and animal cells. We said in our previous classes that the cell is the single most basic unit of what? Life. The single most basic unit of what? Life. And those organisms that can exist and perform all the functions of a living thing as a single cell are known as what? Unicellular organisms. They are known as what? Unicellular organisms. Whereas those that need other parts to work, need more than one cell, they are known as what? Multicellular what? Organisms. Now when you see this cell, how do you know that you've seen one? When you see a plant cell, how do you differentiate it from an animal cell? And that is what we have on the board today. This is a typical plant cell that has a rectangular shape. And the bigger shape inside the rectangle, they are known as the what? Vacuole. They are known as the what? Vacuole. The next bigger shape inside that is dark is known as the nucleus. It's known as the what? Nucleus. Then the next or the smaller shape that is dark there is known as the what? Mitochondria. Is that clear? Then the virtual empty space inside the cell is known as the what? Cytoplasm. Whereas the little dots inside, they are known as the what? Chloroplast. Is that clear? That is how you picture the shape or the components of the cell in your head. Now we get down to the animal cell. This is the plant cell. This is the animal cell. The animal cell is what? Spherical in shape. The animal cell is what? Spherical in shape. We also have the big and white figure inside, known as the what? Vacuole, just like we have here. You're going to notice that most components of the plant cell are also in the what? Animal cell. Now the big spherical shape that is dark is also known as the what? Nucleus, just like we have in the plant cell. And we also have the mitochondria. Also note that in the plant cell we have what we call the cellular cell wall covering the whole of the cell. In between the cellular cell wall and the cell itself, you have the what we call the cell membrane. And in the animal cell, we also have the cell membrane, but we don't have the cellular cell wall. Now, most of the questions that you will be having in your SSC or your JAM will relate to the difference between the plants and the animal cell. It will relate to the what? Differences between the what? Plants and the what? Animal cell. So what are the difference between the plants and animal cell? The plant cell has cellular cell wall. The animal cell does not have cellular cell wall. The plant cell has chloroplast, which is the green pigment that enables photosynthesis, because green plants are autotrophs. Is that clear? The animal does not have chloroplast. The plant cell has large vacuoles. You can see the vacuoles, they are very large and they are central, whereas that of the animal, they have small vacuoles. The plant cell has what we call starch granules, whereas in animal cells we have what we call glycogen granules. There is present absence of centrioles in plant cell, whereas there are centrioles in animal cells. The cytoplasm of the plant cells are very less dense, whereas that of the animals are much denser. And those are the difference between the plants and the animal cells. As a recap, like I said before, the plant cell has rectangular shape, whereas that of the animals are what? Spherical. Both of them have similar components, except that the plant cell has what we call cellular cell wall, which is absent in the animal cell. Also, the plant cell has large vacuole, in which case the animal cells have smaller vacuole. we are clear on this.